Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to get a star account on Snapchat. So let's start. First open the Snapchat app on your phone. Now go to your profile from top left corner. Before moving forward you have to know a few information as to getting a star account. To get a star account you have to have adequate amount of views on your snaps, as well as you have to have a decent snap score. Now let's move on. Tap on the settings icon on top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on I need help. Now tap on contact us. Now tap on my Snapchat isn't working. Now tap on other. Now tap on yes. Then tap on my issue is not listed. Now you have to fill up this form. You have to type in your username, your email, your mobile number, your device name. I'm using Samsung Galaxy A10, so I'll just input that. Then you have to mention from when you are having the issue. You can input any date you like. I'll insert since last update. You can also add a screenshot and then you have to explain your problem. Here you have to write a message. I'll just write it down. You have to make them understand that your account is being impersonated and your followers are not viewing the right snaps. So a verification will be helpful for your followers. Now verify the reCAPTCHA and then tap send. And the Snapchat team will contact you within 3 to 4 working days and let you know about their decision of you getting the star account. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.